Twisted smoke detector chirps haunting your dreams. Let's banish that pesky low battery beep together, once and for all. Tools at the ready, a new 9-volt battery and a step stool. First, safety. Ensure the step stool is sturdy. Now reach up, twist the detector counterclockwise, it should pop right off. Look for a little door. Behind it, your nemesis, the depleted battery. Eject it. Now the new battery. Notice the two terminals? They're different sizes. Match them up with the connectors inside the detector. It's impossible to get it wrong. Snap it back into place, then reattach the detector to the ceiling, twist it clockwise this time, and voila, harmony restored. No more beeping, no more sleepless nights. Remember to repeat every 6 months for peace of mind. Until next time, stay safe and well rested.